So guys, if you're wondering where I'm at, I'm in New Orleans. I mean, you all know that it's a place that I know well, I love, and I'm excited to share more of what I love about this city with you. So let's go, let's get started. Come on. There's Neyow's XL Steakhouse right next door, Neyow's Palace across the street, and there is some parking. This cornbread dressing, man, bruh, so good. Whoo, these car reviews are getting too frequent. But y'all, I had eaten at Neyows before, but it had been a very long time since I had eaten there, and I just want to say that it was as good as I remember, if not better. We had the jazzy wings, the grilled pork chops, their mac and cheese, carrot souffle, cornbread dressing, and french fries. I also had a lemon drop. It was happy hour time, so I think there's a picture of the menu in here, but off the top of the dome, I think from 3 to 7 Monday through Thursday is happy hour. So it was a delicious lemon drop. The wings were also part of the happy hour special. Let's get into it, y'all. I have moved them up to my #1 restaurant, fried chicken. I swear to God, I'm gonna eat something different. Like next week I'm gonna have something different, but I've been on this quest to just find my favorite fried chicken in New Orleans, so that's why I've been getting fried chicken so much. But Neyow's there was a slight herbaceousness to it. It was well seasoned. It was delicious. The mac and cheese, if you are a texture person, you may not like it. New Orleans loves to do their mac and cheese with like spaghetti noodles, but the flavor of it, the sauce, the cheesiness, the seasoning, it was delicious. But let's get into it, because for me today, the star of the show was the cornbread dressing. I was blown away, and I would come here if I was craving cornbread dressing strictly to just get a big old bowl of that cornbread dressing. Like, I would get into it. So do I recommend Neyow's? Absolutely. 10 out of 10. We're gonna continue on with our evening, and come on, let's go. Boop. I'm gonna go take an evening walk around Armstrong Park. Welcome to CongoSquare. CongoSquare is a very historic place in New Orleans. It's inside what is now called Louis Armstrong Park. This is a place that I love to come. I feel very connected to the ancestors here.
CongoSquare is in the vicinity of a spot in which the native people used before the arrival of the French for celebrating their annual corn harvest, and was considered sacred ground. The gathering of enslaved African vendors in CongoSquare originated as early as the late 1740s during Louisiana's French colonial period, and continued during the Spanish colonial era as one of the city's public markets. By 1803, CongoSquare had become famous for the gatherings of enslaved Africans who drummed, danced, sang, and traded on Sunday afternoons. By 1819, these gatherings numbered as many as 500 to 600 people. These African cultural expressions gradually developed into Mardi Gras Indian traditions, the second line, and eventually New Orleans jazz and rhythm and blues.
Feel so connected, so grounded to the land and the water and to the ancestors. When I am here in New Orleans, my ethnicity is made up of not only African ancestry but also French ancestry, Spanish ancestry, Native ancestry, as well as Caribbean ancestry, both Haitian and Dominican. So that is who I am, and many of my ancestors therefore came here through the port of New Orleans. Shout out to security for giving me a ride back to the entrance in the golf cart. That's him beeping and blowing back there. Definitely greatly appreciated. I never give Cafe du Monde any love, so today's just gonna get a little bit of love because I feel like it's become touristy. It's like the must-do of tourist things, and you know, I like Lorette Cafe beignet and all that much better. My boy wants.
Bad boy.
Oh yeah, that's nasty. Mikey, what you want? You want some beignets?
Your mama.
Oh, you're welcome, Langston. You got your beignets?
Yeah, I'm going to What is that? What is that? What is that?
Okay, we're going to the car, okay? Got my boy some beignets. He calls them donuts, but we are about to go to our hotel and check in for the night. I'll give you a quick tour when we get there. We're gonna get some rest. Big things happening tomorrow. Peace. Are you having having a beignet party in my car. It's so good.
Well, I think you made car.
It's okay. We're gonna clean the mess, okay?
Right there.
All right, y'all. Welcome to one of my favorite hotels when I want to be near the Superdome in that area, the Central Business District. So there's a nice, very large walk-in shower, a vanity, and the rest of the restroom. Your girl is hot, tired. It's giving. It's been a day. Langston, you doing wrong?
I do not open.
Yeah, because I don't need you to open. There is always usually this light here in all of the rooms. What's up to the desire? Large mirror, a closet area. This is one of their basic rooms. They do have bigger rooms. They have some rooms with bathtubs and things like that. So we have 2 queen beds. Hey, Miss Badu. I just like the vibe, a funky little vibe. If I'm not too tired after I take a shower, we will take a little walk and show y'all some of the flyness of the hotel. And from here is New Orleans. We're gonna take some showers. We have an early morning. Can't wait to share day 2 with you tomorrow. And of course, if you have enjoyed the content of this video and you would like to see more content like this, please do not hesitate to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. I love to travel. I want to share it with you. And the easiest way for me to get there faster, to be able to share more and more with you, and for you to support this channel, is to simply like and subscribe. So I'm thinking this is the end of day 1, but we'll see. Either way, tomorrow will be a different video. I may go out and about and show you guys some of the hotel, because I really do love this place. But if not, peace. Y'all have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.